If you've been in a car accident and the insurance company denies your claim, it can feel overwhelming and disappointing. Hi, I'm attorney David Bronze. I started my career working for the insurance companies, and that meant that my job was figuring out how to pay people like you as little as possible. Seeing how that system worked from the inside is exactly why I'm sharing these videos with you. I want you to know the same tricks I used to use against people so that you can protect yourself. And if you ever need to talk to an attorney you can trust, please give us a call here at Bronze Law. All right, let's get into it. Today, we're going to talk about something that many people find frustrating: when the insurance company denies your claim. My favorite saying is insurance companies like to delay and deny. It's their MO. Most people don't expect this to happen, but it's more common than you might think. I'm going to walk you through the reason why claims are denied, and most importantly, what you can do if this happens to you. When the insurance company denies your claim, it can be for a number of reasons. Sometimes they'll claim the accident was your fault, or they may argue that the damages or injuries aren't as severe as you say. Other times, they'll say you missed a deadline or didn't provide enough information. Whatever the reason, the key takeaway here is that the insurance companies will do everything and anything they can to avoid paying claims. You have to remember, insurance companies don't pay claims, they collect in money, that's profits. But that doesn't mean you have to accept their decision. If you receive a denial letter, the first thing you should do is carefully read through it. The letter should clearly explain why they denied your claim. If the reason isn't clear or you don't agree with it, it's important to reach out and ask for more information. Sometimes, the denial is based on a mistake, a misunderstanding, or incomplete information. If that's the case, the issue can often be resolved simply by providing additional documentation or clarifying something in your claim. Once you understand why your claim was denied, you're going to have a better idea of what steps to take next. If you believe the denial is unjust, you can challenge it. The process for appealing a denied claim can vary from one insurance company to another, but typically it involves submitting a written appeal where you present your case and provide the necessary evidence to support your claim. Just like all aspects of your case, it's going to be essential to gather as much evidence as possible before you appeal. You'll want to make sure you have your medical records, accident reports, photographs, and any witness statements that can back up your version of events. If the insurance company is denying your claim because they don't believe your injuries are as severe as you say, having detailed medical records from your doctor or specialist will go a long way in showing the full extent of your injuries. But even with all the right evidence, sometimes the insurance company still doesn't budge. If your appeal doesn't work, it might be time to take further action. And that's where legal help's going to come in. You don't have to accept a lowball settlement or let the insurance company walk all over you. If they continue to deny your claim unfairly, you have the option to file a lawsuit. Now, taking legal action, I know, that can feel daunting, but it's a crucial step in holding the insurance companies accountable. A lawyer can help you gather additional evidence, negotiate with the insurance company, and represent you in court if necessary. You do not have to go through this process alone. A lawyer will ensure that your rights are protected and will fight to get the compensation that you deserve. If your case does go to court, the judge and jury will look at all the evidence and decide whether the insurance company should pay your claim, and if so, how much you're entitled to. While no one wants to end up in court, sometimes it's the only way to get compensation you deserve, especially when the insurance company refuses to do the right thing. They often leave you no choice and they make the decision for you. If you've had your claim denied and you're unsure what to do next, give us a call at Bronze Law for a free consultation. We're going to help you understand your options and take the next steps to get your case moving forward. And if you want to learn more about what happens when your claim is denied and how the statute of limitations might affect your case, be sure to check out our next video. I'm going to walk you through the important things you need to know about Georgia's car accident statute of limitations and how timing can impact your case.